In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create documents and contracts in Go High Level. We'll walk through the exact path inside your account so you can quickly build professional documents, send them to clients, and keep everything organized in one place. By the end, you'll know where to go, what to click, and how to save your work properly so nothing gets lost. First, once you're logged into your Go High Level account and you're on the correct location, look at the main left-hand menu. Find and click on the option labeled Payments. This section might already be familiar if you handle invoices or subscriptions, but it also contains your document and contract tools. Clicking Payments is your starting point every time you want to manage proposals, estimates, or agreements. After you're inside the Payment section, look toward the top area of the page for a tab or submenu labeled Documents and Contracts. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all of your existing documents will live, and it's also where you'll go whenever you want to create a new one. If you already have contracts set up, you'll see them listed here. If not, don't worry, we're about to create your first one. Now, to start building a new document, look for the Plus New button, usually located at the upper right corner of the Documents and Contracts section. Click on Plus New. This button is your gateway to adding a fresh document to your system. Anytime you want to add a new agreement, proposal, or contract, this is the button you'll use. Once the new document window or panel opens, you'll see options for how to create it. Since we're focusing on building one from the ground up, choose the option labeled New to create from scratch. This is useful when you have your own unique terms, layout, or content that isn't based on a template. Here, you can enter your document title, add your text, insert any necessary clauses, and format it so it's clear and professional. Take your time at this stage to make sure everything is accurate, because this will be what your clients see and sign. When you're happy with your document, the final and very important step is to click Save. Look for the Save button, typically in the top right area of the editor or at the bottom. Click it to make sure your new document or contract is stored in your Documents and Contracts list. Once saved, you'll be able to come back later to edit, duplicate, or send it to clients as needed. That's it. You've now created a document or contract in Go High Level, starting from the Payment section and finishing